So, pinapakita ni Habibta yung bago niyang ano, pang sprinkler. Can I try? Bismillah. Ay, ang ganda. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Magkano lang to? How much only we buy? 10 dirham, no? 7 dirham.
7.
It's very
I buy
nice.
today. I buy.
This good. We bring your car. I can clean the car. Yeah.
Well, no.
Where you put the other ano? Bismillah. It's nice. Bismillah. May pinagalitan siya. What happened?
I start an end.
Ha? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki